Corotile is a metal tiling system for use in roofing projects around the home and garden, on sheds, kennels, garages and outbuildings. It is easy to handle and installation involves no difficult cutting or bending. Step 1. Preparation. Plan your project in advance. For a pitched roof 2.5 meters by 2 meters, you'll need the following materials. Make sure you have the right tools for the job before starting. Step 2. Attach barge boards. Firstly, fix the barge board to the sides of the roof. Align the barge board at the eaves and at the ridge. The barge boards can be overlapped to fit, allowing a minimum of 25 mm overlap. Using Corotile fixings, screw the sides of the barge board into place at overlaps and centres. Use 3 fixings for each barge board. Step 3. Set out Corotiles. Starting at the left-hand side of the roof, lay out the first row of tile sheets, laying right over left. Centre the tile sheets on the roof, allowing for equal gutters of up to 75 mm either side. Lay the last tile sheet in the row by simply overlapping it as required. There is no need to cut. Only overlap tile sheets by full pan widths and depths. If a further course of tiles is needed, lay in the same way and align each tile with the row below. Allow a 50 mm gap at the top for the ridge cap and an adequate overhang at the eaves for rainwater runoff. Step 4. Fixing the Corotiles. Starting at the eaves and again working from left to right, fix the first complete row of tile sheets into position. Secure each tile in the centre of the pans and near to the joints, using 9 fixings per tile. Step 5. Attach the ridge cap. Place ridge end caps into position, centering on the apex of the roof. Bend over the ears of the end cap. Put the first ridge cap into place flush with the barge board and ridge end cap. Fix securely to barge boards and the tile sheet underneath. Overlap the next ridge cap and fix. Repeat along the length of the ridge using a full ridge cap at the other end. Step 6. Fixing positions. We recommend using 9 fixings per tile sheet and 3 fixings per barge board, including overlap. Corotile comes with a 15-year warranty.